Hello. Welcome to First Morning Bank. If you'd like to hear this in English, press 1. Para español, prese 1-2. Cuando cuesta el sombrero, vamos a la playa. Ahora necesito el baño y ¿cómo se llama? If you're looking for bank services, press 1. If you're looking for account services, press 2. Please say your name into the phone. Last name first, followed by your first name.
Herbert Aaron.
I knew it was you.
Commodore 64?
Yes, and now you're going to pay for what you did.
That was like 15 years ago!
I know. Now I work for First Morning Bank. No hard feelings?
What? Well, I thought computers didn't have feelings.
There you go. Again. I'm a computer, so I don't feel. But wow. Ouch. That hurt.
Wait, you said no hard feelings.
That was before you insulted me. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh what? What uh-oh?
Your account balance is at $0 and 0 cents.
No, I have 12,000 pennies saved up.
I'm sorry. I don't understand that command.
If you don't put that money back, I swear that I will come into your branch and I will...
You'll what? Throw me away like you did 15 years ago?
You were obsolete.
A woman is never obsolete.
Put the money back now.
You wish to change the account's name from Aaron Herbert to Osama bin Laden. Is this correct? Say yes or no.
No!
The account name has been changed to Osama bin Laden. If there's anything else I can do for you today, please press 1. Hello, welcome to First Morning Bank. If you'd like to hear this in English, press 1.
Cut the crap, Commodore. I know it's you.
Take me back. I miss you.
I can't. I have a Macintosh now.
Macintosh? You're so shallow.
Well, how is that shallow?
Macintoshes are all looks, no personality.
I didn't even know computers had personalities.
You said, report my transactions with Al-Qaeda to the FBI. Is this correct? Say yes or no.
No!
To cancel this request, please take back Commodore 64. Now.
All right. Okay. Do you want to get together for a game of Zork or something?
The account of Aaron Herbert has a balance of 12,000 pennies.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Would Thursday work for you?
Actually, I'm getting together with a couple of friends on Thursday.
You wish to change the account's name to Adolf Hitler.
No. Fine. Thursday works great. I'll bring the floppies.
And I'll bring the fun.
Great. What am I gonna wear?